In celebration of the Flock to Marion trip organised by BirdLife South Africa, we have added a special section to identify difficult seabirds in BirdPro app. To access this, go to the SmartSearch function where there's a section for difficult birds. The seabirds are divided into large, medium and small birds. As you drill down the options, you will see the number of birds matching the criteria decrease until you are left with the correct bird. There are multiple photos for each of these amazing birds and an extended text section which will give you a lot of additional information. We hope you will enjoy using this function on the trip and also hope we can connect with you on the ship.